Rusty Rick here. How's it going, everybody? So in this video, what I'm going to be doing on the 58 Plymouth is the front frame. I'm going to be priming it with Eastwood Epoxy Primer, and then I'm going to give it an hour or two to dry a little bit, and then I'm going to put Eastwood Chassis Black paint on it. So that's what we're going to be doing. So I'll adjust the camera here and we'll get started. Go grab my paint gun and my mask. Alright, let's get started and see what it looks like. Alright, that was pretty good. I grabbed the camera here, bring it in a little closer. See, it all looks really good, nice and primed. Like I said, we'll give it an hour or two, and then I'll come back and we'll put the black chassis paint on it. So give me a little bit and I'll come back to the video. Thank you. Okay, Rusty Rick back here. So I did a big boo-boo. I went ahead and painted the whole frame and everything and forgot to hit start on the camera. So that's my bad, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like all painted. So here we go. It's all painted now. Unfortunately, I forgot to hit the start button on the camera while I was spraying it. But it looks pretty good. Again, this is Eastwood's Chassis Black. So we'll let this dry. Game plan is get the firewall painted, and then I want to start putting the suspension back together and get the motor back in it. So again, please like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.